Shabar Snem jong unongsan Hima.
Ban kentiu ki Samla ki basngotenat ban le ki jing Pynbhabriew bat hadin bat Trei Shabar hagini ki arpu hendreu tu ki Snem. Uba Badap hanyota ularai ban Wanphai yang syaka Jylla ban Jinghikai ki para Samla de basdang ke jaka a Jinghikai lingba ke accentuate makeup and hair academy. Kini ke jaka ka pelilat ki Samla ban Jinghikai hakibabun ki betah. Kini ke Snem ajing Jinghikai mentak sengi kala penkop boromru i kini ke Samla puli ke bala pendep i ke jing Jinghikai kini ke jaka ya ke bala tip kum ke makeup and hair styling course. Hagini ke sengi le don lang additional deputy commissioner ba Shabar lang warjri bala long kum kongsan but samru i kini ke sernot sha ki Samla ki bala pendep i ke jing Jinghikai. Haba keren jiginong thok khubor na kalyang ba Badap hanyota ulo ong ba kini ke Samla puli la ai yaki sernot hadin bala pendep i jing Jinghikai ke balai benai but ki short term hair styling but ki makeup professional courses. Shisho ulo ongru baka thong jong u kalong ban ai Jinghikai ke babaha yaki ni ki Samla jong ka jat ben reu ki ba thrang ban keu ha kini ka kam. La ban kedo boni Samla rang ba kini ki Snem ki bala dep ulo pentebit yala di bat Trei ha ka IL and FS skills India Delhi Javed Habib but ka Mac Cosmetics ulah hikairu como assistant professor ha Pearl Academy Delhi but ki jaka ki bapau ha kari ki nyongut ki Samla puli ki bala pendep ki jing Jinghikai ki dei walam lang nongse wanlam jaran pentingan dikes Clarissa Pariat Tralin Walang Stephanie Lingdo but Pibaniti Pengro.
So I'll call first good achievement ibe ang khot teng walam Ishai Stephanie. Guess what? Good Achievement Award. Stephanie Lingdok. Just for your information, it's Stalin dan parlor for Mokhar. Good parlor Stalin best lawan kan. One lam lang nong si. Bobby join hang ni, you come can. You can jai can. But her work there is very good. So good work very good in makeup and hairstyling, and all assessment, and also the practice session. So I wish you all the best. One love. Senang lepas sing walbo.
Kali program mentah kali program na I certificate na pass the course for 3 months. Kali play ni academy when July tarik and kali first batch na mentah. And mentah la course the dalam procedure sa course mentah before shoot into fashion. Ka course bagi dia mentah kali course pangki basic man le kini hairstyling bridal kini party makeup hairstyle makeup lo the mentah kini shoot kini fashion kini dia mentah. Dia mentah kasi kio certificate bagi dia course for 3 months and they can even also bagi awan Trei shoot lang ni mai lang Trei tu ikut Trei ikut proceed yang post ro dah so kiran tu buat dah sini
cái course ông làm một tay không biết.
Okay, kali course kita mentah kali course ke ba morning com kali basic to bridal ni sedang di day makeup look di day hairstyle atau evening hairstyle evening makeup di bridal hairstyle bridal makeup nang tadi ni kai kini depan social media marketing so to open how to post picture for Instagram because nowadays it's very important when post gitu for Instagram when promote your LinkedIn because it's a big platform Instagram also ke Facebook group.
Cái kerja course.
Kita sugi course 2 weeks course kita personal grooming and makeup and hair. Dan kadang ke course 1.5 months kita fashion editorial and prosthetic makeup. So fashion editorial kita fashion look for runway for magazine shoot and then kita prosthetic makeup for films and then fantasy look. Kita kali 1.5 months and it also stretched to 2 months. And there's a course for 1 month only for bridals. That is an advanced course. Di out of 7 months, buat kuat balik kini kita buat mentah, kuat balik prinsip yang saya kurs by 1.5 months. They got stuck with January kan ya, 1.5 months dia.
Sebut jadi dong, lalu pisang Melayu. Mungkin mana Julai
Kakut handle back, kakut mentah. Because in between I shooting, I kini dan ki Durga Puja holiday dan kini holiday we watch demo. I shooting come stretch kini class. And also keep doing kuat practice bah, one practice dengan pukul mentah Khasi aku certificate lagi. Jadi yang tu juga long dia masuk bang ups and down mo. Sedang ini kerja juga mentah kali I started way back in 2008 in Bangalore. Como hairdresser, Trei Pojam Habib. I worked there as a hairdresser for 2.5 years in Bangalore. After that, then I got a chance for government of Meghalaya. Keep play sponsor course in the UK, and I had to go for interview. And then some selection tests. I got through, and then I went to Delhi, then did my advanced course in makeup and hair. After there, I was a topper in the academy in my batch. Then I got a job in good places for Delhi. Then after that, I trained too, and then I trained for 2-3 months, or 2-3 years for salon about Delhi. Then after I moved to MAC Cosmetics. MAC Cosmetics, I was there for 2 years. Then I became a expert in product specialist. Then I trained for 2.5 years at MAC. Then I moved to as a trainer in IRL Skill India. Skills from India. I trained as a trainer for 2 years. And then after that, I got another job offer from one of the prestigious institute in India, Fashion Academy, Pearl Academy. I worked there for 8 years. I left that institute this year, and then I decided to come back to Sri Lanka. So during my journey, it was difficult because it's not easy when mga bana Sri Lanka sa Shabar mo, jangan naling kilang jing Shibon, Jakasa, Jakabam, natay hikam mga Trei very challenging, very pasok ha. So with my experience, my hard work, my dedication, and then my commitment also, it helped me who I am right now. And I came back now to Sri Lanka and play like a institute play. And kalang sedang barit mentang, nomor penhe susu. So I pray to God on play like so nga, ayo man penhe susu.
Sekali ayo pelong itu perkenalan makawan. Kau Wanphai kan, dua mahan approach ni mula jawab.
Abdul Snem hoi kali. Dia labik kebong iba la sa na Shabar la Abdul Snem mentang. Dia iba pelong yang Wanphai nong jong. It's my roots here. Khang ni la puliang ni Shlong. Na kuat yang Wanphai pasieng wan sedang wan nang ni wan pen wan ai ki kena Jinghikai kena ang ni. Iba la yo Shabar. Iba la Trei Shabar ma yo kini ki Jinghikai ki experience ang dapat warak ni kan ba dan berkira kerja real job ni po Sri Lanka. Because here in Sri Lanka there are so many aspiring students berkuapan in this field when kira dia akan feel in makeup and hairstyle.
So are you happy? Johnny Jovi so far jagal jong. Maka iya kerja kamu prominent places.
Well, I decided to try to have my own institute. Say play dengan banyo ada kerja. And I'm very happy back here to teach people here in Sri Lanka. And I'm looking forward that I'll have more students to join in the days to come.
Yo Jinghikai tala live na ina Wanphai. Babitaski bagi certificate bagi la plus ni dapat ila yo pun siput ki Jinghikai lalu bawan ni ngile ka make up ka hairstyle ban compare na bagi sedang ban Wanphai long ila yo Jinghikai sipun atat minta long ila long confident lah ban keren long atau sedang na duk apa bagi dah sedang ban mo
nak kena ai ke semua kami surgery ibala ai ke Jinghikai bahatan nak beta joni ban ni ker do surgery ba in tangkio hakan kabai lagi mat sampai
Tidak mata ya.
ayo sipun ke experience ka ni ko ngawan hang ni ngam pat danang hai ban le kan Trei mitang la kan long la kan yang ni ngawan tang ya ka arteo ka kus andre hawatlah ka arteo ru nga sutu bangala gimbun hagi knowledge ni ike te gibun gibre gikwa bande ya kene ka makeup course andre ngai iba la klabun plat ke institution em menta gibri kenang menjit de andre nga sngo komen plat bang yo ji di isa na mal isa ila yo bun ha experience na ban di lawan kham shani pa iban menteri jong jong te nga khrup loi na ma ba ide bla tri lupa Shabar ni la kham yo kham benya shu ya ka ba ma ila loi na Shabar te nga komen plat bang yo ek banjoy ni ibat la ka ditang ato yo ru nga kwa hi bang nang join shu hi na makadang bun plat ka kus nga tahi shu
Kapag kong so sibun is apa ira kaya ni tengi ayo bun experience bagi the kapag kong ngarum da nang hares pagini da hadian nga yang ini kita tadi kung na ka badit sa kapatid de mentaro nga boy hakani memang tanah ada bisa ka layan ab yang sibun de tani
kong di sabla kagus trong di tak wandi gus te wala katar kadi kagus trong wandi tapa layo ke Jinghikai shibun na isa ngai kubli ibenda khat yang te layo wandi kelas mo layo shibun ke Jinghikai na isa ka make up mo bridal makeup but nang ni shu bat ngan continue ya ban isa ngai i ka Jinghikai chung i ka ba ya
ai yo play para penyekendo yang ini lang bara hi komisa isa ibalawan bala tebit ban hakom kadingakam kaba ulong thau ni la IT ai ba inong itai banan kita nasam kapalan ban ai nadu na jingai ilawan puli dari ilawan haruslang la de hi ba in pensakyang la kanya kata ka start jong i hani na na bu ngadon kapala dengan Trei kapala dari ngasngo bangampat tebit ban make up ban kampet tebet susu dan malah Snem ki bang ini pule kidang kam tuna kan ki rukam le long banyak kecuk menta dari ngawan isa ban renovate dari ban upgrade yang lade kan ban kampet tebet susu ngai igu sibun isa bila ai ke Jinghikai ban ngadapi katu kan ki wedding menta ro ki bangala sumenta bangapen kre bat ngalang successful kam ke jonga kalau internet kan kita ki berai ki bangale ro kalau kau ini kecilnya lang kecong ublay kaba ila ay ka ublay ula ay hai mai rumah ba ila ban ikai bahaya ni student kecong i dengan ayo lang ni sa kamar ni ikerman i ba isa ba inang yo sigun ki student i ba in sang lang kecing start kecong i lajong i am kita hi college